students. Yesterday we have learned 1 to 20 numbers and their spellings. Today we are going to study next number 21 to 40 and their spelling. So let's start with number and their spellings. First is 2 1 21. 2 1 21. TWENT1 21 ONE1. Next is 2 2 22 TWENT1 22 TWO2. Next is 2 3 23 TWENT1 23 THREE 3. Next number 24 TWENT1 24 FOUR 4. 2 5 25 2 5 25 TWENT1 25 FIVE 5. Next number 26. Next number is 26 TWENT1 26 SRX 6. Next is 27 2 7 27 TWENT1 27 SEVEN 7. Next number 28 28 28 28 TWENT1 28 EIGHT 28. Next is 29 29 29 29 TWENT1 29 NRNE 9. The last is next is 30 30 THIRTY 30. Now we will repeat 2 1 21 TWENT1 20 ONE 1 20 one. TWENTY 20. ONE 1 21. 22 TWENTY 20. 2 TWO 2 22 TWENTY 20 TWO 2 22. Next is 2 3 23 TWENTY 20 3 THREE 23 2 3 23 TWENTY THREE 23 2 4 24 TWENTY 24 FOUR 4 24 2 4 24 TWENTY 20 FOUR 4 24 2 5 25 TWENTY 20 FIVE 5 25 2 5 25 TWENTY 25 FIVE 5 25 2 6 26 TWENTY 20 SIX 6 26 2 6 26 TWENTY 20 SIX 6 26. Next is 7 27 TWENTY 20 SEVEN 7 27 2 7 27 TWENTY 20 SEVEN 7 27 2 8 28 TWENTY 20 EIGHT 8 28 2 8 28 TWENTY 20 EIGHT 8 28 2 9 29 TWENTY 20 NINE 9 29 2 9 29 TWENTY 20 NINE 9 29 30 30 THRTY 30 30 30 THRTY 30. Now next number is 31 31 31 31 THIRTY 30 ONE 1. The next is 32 32 THIRTY 32 TWO 2. Next 33 33 THIRTY 30 3 THREE 3 34 34 THIRTY 30 FOUR 34 3 5 35 THIRTY 30 FIVE 5 35. Next 3 6 36 THIRTY 36 SIX 6. Next is 3 7 37 THIRTY 30 7. Next is 3 4 34. THIRTY 30. 38 38. THIRTY 30. 8. VIGHT 8. Next is 39 39. THIRTY 39. NINE 9. 40 40. FOURTY 40. Okay, now we will repeat. 31 31. THIRTY 30. ONE 31. 31 31. THIRTY 30. ONE 31. Next is 32 32. THIRTY 30. TOO 32. 33 33. THIRTY 33. THREE 33. 33 33. THIRTY THEEE 3 33. 34 34. THIRTY FOUR 34. 34 34. THIRTY 30. FOUR 34. 35. THIRTY FIVE 35. 35 THIRTY FIVE 35. 36 THIRTY SIS 36. THIRTY SIS 36. 37 37. THIRTY 37. SEVEN 37. 37 37. THIRTY 7 37. 38 38. THIRTY 38. 38 38. THIRTY 38. 39 39. THIRTY 9 39. 39 39. THIRTY 9 39. 40 40. FOURTY 40. 40